All right, the professor here. Eyes are a little red, nose a little stuffed up, allergies, springtime's here. But anyway, enough of that. I was going over some of my filament. And when I ordered some the other day, the company, I asked for PLA plus eSun, of course, and I wanted the cold white. If you notice, both these spools are different. This is the cold white. This is supposed to be normal white. I call it the warm white. If you think there's no difference between them because the numbers are exactly the same on them, except for the color, that's wrong. People have been trying to tell me that PLA is PLA, red, green, blue, whatever color you think, but it's not. And I can actually prove that it is not. For instance, I'll put that down there. I'll put that there. It may not be in the way. It might be in the way a little bit. Maybe I'll put these here. Those are supports from either one of them. This one here from the warmer white, this one from the cooler, I call it, or the cool white. This is tough to break. That's the warm white, but it's supposed to be, they said, PLA plus, exactly the same temperature it melts at, the same. This one here, I'll move this here because it's going to focus on it. This one here is so flexible and so easy to break apart. And they were done on the same machine. Now, here's the thing. This guy here was done with PLA plus cool white. And I can sand it really easy and get it prepped up for a primer. And even the actual sanding sounds different. This frog I did the other day, it's done with the warm. Now, the thing is, what you're getting is, if you look at this one and this one, look how shiny the warm white is, or the white, what they call it, compared to the cool white, or to me, it's white. This one's more of a yellowy or a creamy colored white. So the thing is, even taking it off the supports, it hurts. It's hard to do. I did a video the other day where I was popping them off and actually cut myself with the pliers because it was so hard to pull them off. So I try not to make and I don't think it's a mistake, but it is a different filament. It's, even though the numbers are the same, they add a pigment to it, or ever how they do it. They melt at the same temperature. They do it all the same temperature. That's fine, but they're not the same. The other thing about it is, when you pull these pieces off, for instance, like I can't even pull that off. I'll put that there for a minute. This one I can pull up really easy. Now, when I drop these on the floor, and sometimes in the morning I'll come in to check out my projects, and I'll still have bare feet, or run out of the shower after and get dressed, but I haven't put my shoes on yet. When I step on these, this one doesn't hurt my feet. This one hurts my feet. Now, have you ever gone to bed where all of a sudden somehow, what's that? Or the wife says, I think you got some PLA in the bed. And I go, oh, okay. But the other day I got this one in the bed, and man, did it ever scratch my back. Now, I know it sounds awfully funny. Why are you taking PLA to bed? Well, I wasn't exactly taking it to bed. It sticks to you. You get working. Well, if you're a 3D printer, you figure that out after a while, that it's not on purpose. It just happens. And I've noticed when I'm sanding Now, the difference too is I have noise canceling microphones on my cameras. I got the sanding block. It's not in the greatest shape, but anyway, when I sand them, I can actually hear the difference between this color here, which is supposed to be PLA plus, and like I said, here they are again. There's the two different colors. Now, what I've also noticed is I have this, it's plugged in. This is my 3D pen. Now, I've got some rolls over there. Excuse me. I save the two different kinds of filament. If I'm working on a job and I feel that there's something I have to fill in after to fix something. So I have the pen to do it. And I've noticed when I use the PLA, the color it's off. To me, it's off, is the yellowy color here. When I save this and I use those if I have to fix one of those projects with this, and vice versa with this. And if I use the colors PLA plus, if I have some colors, which I only use gray, I have gray, black, and I've even tried PLA plus in a, I think it's like a silvery color. I've noticed that the problem is they don't like to stick to each other the same way if you load the next one in. I don't really like stopping a machine overnight or whatever and then restarting it the next day. I find you get I call it it's kind of like a seam, and I usually have to put some glue in it because I'm not too happy with it. If you have, especially when you print hollow, which I do, that's more when I worry about it, is the hollow. If there is actually a print that I'm printing that has the honeycomb in it and all that, I don't worry about it as much because the honeycomb will join inside and it makes it stronger. But when I'm printing hollow, which I do a lot, I want to make sure that it's a complete run. And when I use the pen to add to it, the sand, this stuff sands better than this one. This one seems to be shinier. You can actually see it, but yet they're exactly the same PLA plus. So now I'm saying to you, I don't care what anybody says. This is my findings. And I've been doing this for 4 years with these colors. And I'm to the point where, yeah, they're different. If you can prove to me, or if the company can prove to me that they're the same, or a company can message me or put a comment on my video saying, we can prove that they're exactly the same, go ahead. Send me your samples. I will show you either they're the same or they're not the same. I can tell just by this how stiff they are and how much easier they are to break. The eSun's really good. I don't have to even heat it up or make sure that the moisture's out of it. I have my area. It's dehumidified and I have it humidified when I have to. I keep the temperature up. I've never, ever had to dry film. Anyway, that's my beef about these two. And they're not beefs about how they run. They run great. How they sand up later, because I like to sand my products and work on them and do print, priming and stuff like that and sand them down to join the way I want to join it. And I just find them so much different. And the cold white sands better. If you can prove to me differently, go for it. Professor Vinster saying, have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.